everyone. Welcome back to Oh Meow Easy English.
Hi, guys. Great to have you here again. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma. We're really happy you stopped by to practice English with us today.
If you enjoy our lessons, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much. Today's topic is transportation. How we travel from place to place.
How you go to work, how you get to school, all that good stuff. Ready to jump in?
Let's start. So, Daniel, how are you feeling today?
Pretty good, thank you. How about you?
Pretty good, thank you. How about you?
A bit sleepy, but excited to film. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I had a calm weekend. I went to visit my parents.
Oh, lovely. What did you all do?
On Saturday, we had a big family dinner. And on Sunday, we took a long walk in the park. It was very relaxing.
That sounds perfect. My weekend was busy. I spent the whole day cleaning my apartment.
Oh no! Cleaning is helpful, but never fun.
True, but now it looks great, so I'm happy.
So, Daniel, how did you come to the studio today?
I took the bus, the number 25.
Oh, the bus. Was it crowded this morning?
Super crowded. Everyone was going to work, so I had to stand for about 10 minutes.
Standing on a moving bus is tough.
Yes, but later a seat opened up. Much better.
Lucky you. I drove today.
Oh, how was traffic?
Not terrible, only slow near downtown. Lots of cars there.
I always see traffic in the city center. Do you usually drive?
Not often. Most days, I take the train.
Why the train?
It's peaceful. I can read while I travel. Driving in traffic stresses me out.
I understand. I like the bus for the same reason. I can listen to music and relax.
Do you take the bus every day?
Almost. But on Sundays, I ride my bicycle.
Nice. That's such good exercise.
Yes, and it's environmentally friendly. But when it rains, no way.
Yes, a wet bicycle ride is never fun.
How do you get to your parents' house?
By train. It's a long ride. About 2 hours?
2 hours?
Yes, but I enjoy it. I look at the scenery or take a nap.
Sounds relaxing. I want a long train trip one day. Maybe to the beach.
Oh, great idea. How do you usually get to the beach?
Usually by car. With my friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we talk, we listen to music, and sometimes we even sing. Very badly.
I want to hear that someday.
How about airplanes? Do you like flying?
Mixed feelings. Fast, but airports stress me out.
I get that. I like flying because I love discovering new places.
Last year, I flew to Spain.
Wow, how was it?
Amazing. Great food, friendly people.
How did you get around the cities?
Mostly walking and using the subway. Very simple.
Did you take any taxis?
Yes, one taxi from the airport. Expensive, but I was exhausted.
Sometimes comfort is worth it.
What's your favorite way to travel, Emma?
I think trains.
Why trains?
More space, more comfort. You can walk around.
True. Buses can feel cramped.
What's your least favorite way to travel?
That's easy. Motorcycles.
Too dangerous?
Yes, I want 4 wheels.
Same. Safety first.
Have you been on a boat before?
Yes, I took a ferry to an island last summer.
Was it fun?
Very fun. The weather was perfect.
I've never been on a boat.
You should try it. But if the water is rough, you might feel sick.
Maybe I'll start with a short trip.
We talked about cars, buses, trains, bicycles, planes, taxis, subways, and boats.
What about electric scooters?
Oh, yes. I see them everywhere now.
Do you use them?
Not really. They're a bit risky in traffic.
I agree. I prefer walking for short distances.
Walking is healthy and free.
What do you do when your transportation is late?
I get nervous and check my watch 100 times.
Same. When my train is late, I message people to tell them.
Everyone understands. Delays are normal. Have you ever lost something on the bus?
Yes, my umbrella.
Did you get it back?
No. It was a cheap one, though.
I lost my favorite scarf on the train once.
Oh, no.
Yes, sad day.
So everyone, keep your things close.
All right, Daniel, before we wrap up, I think it would be great to go over some useful vocabulary from today's topic. What do you think?
Absolutely. Reviewing together always helps. Let's take it slow and make sure everyone understands each word clearly.
Great. So the first word is commute. How would you explain it?
Commute means your daily trip to work or school. For example, I commute to work by bus every morning. Super easy, right?
Yes, and it's a very common word. The next one is rush hour. That's the time of day when the roads and buses are crowded because everyone is going to work or coming home.
Exactly. Nobody likes rush hour, but we all experience it. Now, another useful phrase, on foot. This one is simple, isn't it?
Very simple. On foot just means walking. Like when I say, I go to the supermarket on foot, it means I walk there.
Nice. And sometimes when people don't walk, they use public transportation, things like buses, trains, or the subway.
Right. And when you use public transportation, you need to pay a fare, which is just the price of the ticket.
Good point. Oh, and we also have the word route. That's the path or direction that a bus or train follows. For example, bus number 12 has a long route across the city.
Yes, and sometimes that route gets slowed down because of a delay, which means the bus or train is late.
Delays. We all know that feeling. And the last word is platform. That's the place where you stand and wait for your train.
Exactly. So these words are all connected to daily routines and transportation.
If they feel like a lot, don't worry. Just practice 1 or 2 words each day.
Yes, small, steady progress is the best way to learn.
And we're here to learn with you, step by step.
We talked about so many ways to travel today.
Cars, buses, trains, bicycles, planes, boats, and more.
We also practiced important expressions like I take the bus, I go by car, and I walk to school.
And we learned useful words like commute, rush hour, fare, and delay.
Remember, you don't need to remember everything today.
Just practice a little. You are improving.
Today's question is,
What is your favorite way to travel?
write your answer in the comments.
You can write something like, I go to school by bike, or I walk to work.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for joining us today.
If you liked the lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this with a friend who is learning English.
We'll see you in the next video.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.